It's great to be here today.
Yeah.
Today, I will give you a surprise. Firstly, I want to ask you a simple little question.
Whoa.
Do you think learning English is difficult?
Yes.
Yeah.
I used to think that learning English is difficult. English is not my native speaker. English is not my native language. But now, I can tell you that learning English is a piece of cake. Don't worry about grammar. Don't worry about pronunciation. Just try to speak as much as possible. Successful people spend a lot of time just practicing. And remember, practice makes perfect. Speak English every day. And I'm sure that